47 now. Well, Christmas is coming a few days early for some very deserving families, thanks to some local students and a team of volunteers. Lori Wallace joins us live in Roseville with a peek at Santa's workshop. Love this, Lori.
Good morning, you guys. Yeah, the sweetest collaboration here going on with the nonprofit One at a Time and Acton Academy here in Roseville. So I have Brody with the nonprofit to talk a little bit about what's going on here this morning. You're getting ready for a very special night.
Yes, so at 5 p.m. today, we've got a bunch of cancer families and other children battling life-threatening illnesses. They're coming out and they're getting to pick their Christmas gifts for this holiday season. We're super excited. We've actually got a bunch of other activities for other kids and families to come out to and enjoy as well. Gingerbread, house making, card making, got a game room, and we're just looking for the public to come out and support a fun time.
Yeah, great time. And you still have registration available so people can find you online and still come tonight.
Absolutely. So if you're battling something or know of a child or a family that can benefit from our event, please send them our way.
Yeah, you guys have done a great job getting this all together. And the collaboration with Acton Academy, Matt, I want to talk to you about that because this happened very organically for you.
It absolutely did. Yeah, it was a mutual friend that just reached out and said, hey, you guys have a great space. Love what you're doing with Acton, and you should see what these guys are doing with Campaign One at a Time. So I'm like, all right, well, let's have Brody come over. And as soon as I found out what he was doing, met him, it was a no-brainer. And
it was even more special because you have a student at your school that actually just ties right into this.
She's a cancer warrior too. Yeah, so not only is she part of the Acton family, she's part of, you know, this family as well of all these kids that are battling these things. So yeah, so seeing that again, it was a no-brainer for us.
And we're lucky enough to have her here this morning, little Miss Addison. She's 12 years old, almost 2 years since you were first diagnosed, right, Addison?
Yes.
And tell us a little bit about your story.
Well, I was diagnosed January 7th, 2018 with acute lymphoblastic leukemia.
And now what does it feel like today to be feeling good enough to be here, to be helping other kids who are in that position?
It feels really amazing. Like, I got a lot of gifts when I was in the hospital, so this feels good for other kids too.
Well, I'm so happy you're here. And Mom Chris is over here on the other side. I want to grab her because this is the best Addison has felt since she's been diagnosed, to be able to be here and be participating in something like this. She's done a lot of the work. She actually helped raise a lot of money for these toys.
Yes, she and her twin brother did some videos that we posted on Facebook, and we had some very generous, loving, kind people donate $1,800 all told, and we were able to purchase 5 Samsung tablets, an iPad for a girl in Antelope who's going through a really rough battle, and some other great goodies over here. So they worked really hard, and Addison is so proud. So proud.
This has been such a journey for your family. So to be here this morning and to be a part of what's happening tonight, how are you guys feeling?
It's overwhelming to know that we were in the trenches, and other families who are in the trenches now are going to come here and be able to benefit from this, and watching Addison be so engaged in this process, and it's magical. It really is. It feels so good.
It really is. They've done all the work. Now the payoff is tonight to be able to see those smiles on everybody's faces tonight. And again, if you have somebody in your family or you know of a family that could benefit from this event tonight, One at a Time is the nonprofit. You can look them up online and you can bring them here and have them be a part of this very special event. I'll send it back to you.
Absolutely. And a very Merry Christmas to Addison and her family.
Yes.
Some rock awesome people.
Yes, indeed. Thank you very much, Lori.
Humanity meter?
Yeah.
I tell you.